Just the other night on the Rockville campus, Montgomery College held the 2014-15 Athletic Awards Banquet to honor all the Raptors student athletes, coaches, and staff. Interim Senior Vice President for Student Services, Dr. Gwendolyn Dungy, welcomed the athletes.
You are the model for what colleges and universities say they do in educating yourselves through your scholarship, in doing everything you can in your athletic endeavors, and the spirit you must have in order to be an athlete. So you, the college student athlete, you inspire us. You inspire us because of your motivation, and you inspire us because of your accomplishments.
After dinner, each MC coach introduced their team, recapped the season, and also announced their team's most improved and most valuable player awardees. The night's biggest announcements were saved for last when MC Athletic Director Derek Carter announced the winners of the prestigious Female and Male Student Athletes of the Year Awards.
She has had an outstanding 2-year career at Montgomery College. She is a 2-year starter on our basketball team, as well as a major contributor to our women's track and field program. She is qualified in 4 events at the national championships and will enter the NJCAA championships this weekend, ranked #1 in the discus event. Kiana Daly, please come forward. And for our Male Student Athlete of the Year, you've heard his name mentioned earlier. He's a co-captain. He was All-Maryland JUCO selection. He has been an All-Region 20 selection. Outstanding student. You heard his name for the 4.0, so that in itself is an accomplishment. Outstanding defensive player, and usually the coach's #1 choice for penalty kicks. Fabrice Mumbai, please come forward.
After the banquet ended, I asked both winners how it felt to receive such an honor.
It feels great. It was unexpected. It's just a good feeling.
And Fabrice, how about you?
It feels exceptional, to be honest. I wasn't expecting this, but it feels extremely great. I like it. I love the feeling.
And finally, I asked them how being involved with athletics at MC has helped each of them.
I think it made me a better person in time-wise, and just with sports, it helps me with academics, keeping everything in line, keeping my GPA, my grades up. Having the coaches there to help and support me was really great.
And Fabrice?
It's been really great, to be honest, in all aspects. The coaches are there to support you. My classes, basically it's been everything for me, to be honest. I've learned a lot from the coaches, I've learned a lot from my teammates. Me being a leader last year kind of pushed me to learn some of the skills of being a leader. To be honest, it's helped me in all aspects. And I would never forget this moment, to be honest.
For the Raptor Report, I'm Michael Brown.